In today's video, I'm going to teach you build a simple OKR goal tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, ready-to-use space where you can plan objectives, track key results, and keep your priorities visible. OKRs stand for Objectives and Key Results. The objective is the big, inspiring goal, and the key results are the measurable outcomes that show progress toward that goal. Notion makes this easy, especially when you start with a template. Begin by opening the Notion website in your browser. If you usually use the desktop app, that works too. The experience is similar. Once Notion loads, look for the marketplace. This is where Notion and the community share templates you can add to your workspace, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Inside the marketplace, use the search bar and type OKR Goal Tracker. This will surface templates designed specifically for tracking objectives and key results. You'll see a few options. Choose the template that best matches your needs. Click into it to preview how it's organized and skim the example content to understand how the pieces fit together. When you're ready, click the template and then click Add. Notion will bring the entire template into your workspace so you can start using it immediately. You'll now have your own copy that you can modify without affecting the original. From here, feel free to customize everything, the colors and other data, so it fits your workflow. Update the title and description to reflect your team, project, or time frame. Adjust tags, statuses, and priority labels to match the language you actually use. If the template includes example objectives and key results, replace them with your own. Keep objectives short and inspiring, and make key results specific and measurable, like a target number or percentage. If the template provides views like a board, list, or timeline, choose the ones that help you see progress at a glance. You can also use color to reinforce meaning. For example, green for on track, yellow for at risk, and red for behind. Consider hiding properties you won't use and reordering the ones you reference most. The cleaner the layout, the more likely you are to keep it up to date. That's it. You opened Notion, went to the marketplace, searched for OKR Goal Tracker, selected a template, added it to your workspace, and customized the colors and data. Keep your tracker updated weekly and review key results regularly to celebrate wins and adjust course. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new OKR Goal Tracker in Notion.